Hi. Can you draw a giraffe with the number 1? Let's draw together.
Yay!
Draw a big number 1. Great job! Let's draw the head. And a long neck. Draw the back. Then go all the way down. Let's draw the front legs. And the back leg. Let's draw the nose. And a happy smile. Time for a big shiny eye. Don't forget the little horns. Time to decorate. Add the giraffe spots. And the tail. Swish, swish. Let's draw a cute little flower in its mouth.
Yay!
And one cute ear. Let's go! Time to color.
Yay!
Yellow body. A pink nose. Brown spots. Let's make the flower colorful. And a little heart for our giraffe.